Discover iconic desert landscapes that offer breathtaking views and an unforgettable outdoor experience in the heart of Arizona. Welcome to Wander Camelback Mountain. I'm Monica, and I'm going to be taking you through a tour of this luxurious mountaintop retreat with 4 bedrooms, comfortably sleeping 8, 3 bathrooms, an exquisite outdoor area with a pool, a hot tub, and sauna. Thoughtfully designed and centrally located, Wander Camelback Mountain invites you to experience the pinnacle of elevated living. Are you ready? Let's get started. The living room perfectly combines comfort and modern design. The natural wood tones of the paneling on the ceiling with the recessed lighting adds for some really fun textures and creates a beautiful, warming, calming atmosphere. Now, at the center of the room, we have this large plush sectional allowing for ample seating, perfect for gatherings of every kind. And of course, while you sit down and get cozy, you can enjoy our large flat screen TV watching all of your favorite shows. Now, a really cool feature of this place is look at this photo right here. This is actually from the 1920s, and it is a photo of the actual landscape you see here through our floor-to-ceiling glass doors. It's really an incredible fun fact. Such a cool throwback in history. We have to talk about the main focal point of this room is this ultra modern fireplace. I love coming here, warming my toes after a long day out adventuring. It's just incredible. This space has a lot of personality as well. One of my favorite seating areas is this hammock-like chair with different textures. The kitchen is contemporary, luxurious, and well-designed, clearly striking a balance between functionality and aesthetics. Now, this open layout, spacious kitchen includes high-end stainless steel appliances with these built-in ovens and gas top stove. This large window allows for ample light, and even though it's facing the mountains, you still get this incredible view of the natural cacti and rocks, just really allowing for the indoor-outdoor experience. It's really fun to cook here. We have to talk about this large marble island with this cascading over the top. It's incredible. This is great as a prep area, but it's also great for a serving area because as you can see over here, we have these really cool modern bar stools that are great for serving your friends and your family and enjoying a home-cooked meal. The kitchen is fully stocked for everything you need to cook a meal, but if you're not feeling up to it, don't worry because you can reach out to our Wander concierge team and they can give you a recommendation of all the best top private chefs in the area to make a gourmet meal just for you. And you can enjoy that meal right here on this bar, or you can savor your meal in this formal dining room with a beautiful marble tabletop seating for 8. If you're wanting to dine al fresco, you can go outside in the beautiful outdoor porch with seating for 6 and look at the incredible views. Now, if you're wanting to get your mix on, we have a fully stocked wet bar for all of you hosts out there. It also includes a wine chiller. We've got everything you need with recipe books to try mixing all your favorite drinks. It's perfect for parties, gatherings, celebrations, whatever you need. This is one of my favorite features of the house. Experience luxe living and a luxurious spa-like experience at the same time here in our wonderful outdoor area. Now, there's an incredible pool here with seating where you can do laps. We have a well-maintained grassy area with plenty of loungers and umbrellas to keep you out of the sun or in the sun if you want that. We also have a great space for entertaining with this barbecue and refrigerator that's just incredible. High quality stainless steel, everything you need for a good BBQ. Moving on to our next portion, you have to look at the architecture of the hot tub area. This is just incredible. When the sun's out, it makes for some beautiful shadows. It's really, really well designed. I love the hot tub feature. As you can see here, it's cedar, it's beautiful. You can even smell the wood when you get inside. We even have some rocks popping up so you can see nature's really incorporated in the architecture of this place. And there's ample seating to provide for guests of all kinds, family and friends for all your gatherings. You'll notice this wood paneling that is inside the house makes its way out here too to tie in the spaces all together for the spa-like experience. I cannot wait to show you this. We have multiple features, this beautiful outdoor sauna. Now just look at the shape of this. This is absolutely incredible. I love coming out here in the morning, putting on a towel, soaking in the heat and really sweating out all the pizza I ate the night before. For my health gurus out there, have this soaking tub that's incredible if you want an ice bath, recharge, refresh after your long outdoor adventures. And if you get a little too sweaty enjoying your outdoor adventures, we have this outdoor shower with this incredible massive shower head so you can shower off and get a view of the picturesque rocks behind you. It's really the spot for entertainment. This is kind of one of my favorite areas of the home. It's definitely something to brag home about. Just off the main area, we have a hallway here with 2 additional bedrooms with natural elements and both coming with queen size beds. There's also a guest bath here with natural light. It's really beautiful, functions lovely. And both bedrooms also have access to the outside balcony, giving you views of the stunning city. Now, the primary bedroom is incredible. It is huge. Just like the rest of the house, we have our wood paneling on the ceiling, which really adds to the warm and natural elements of the space. Now, centering the room, we have our king size bed looking out to our floor to ceiling glass doors that lead out to a wraparound balcony, giving you incredible access to the views of the city and the desert landscape. Now just imagine waking up to the sunrise and falling asleep to the sunset. It is a truly magical experience. Of course, we've got a flat screen TV as we always do. And like everything in a Wander home, it blends in seamlessly with the rest of the decor. What I also love is we have a reading nook over here in this corner with this really plush circular chair, a reading light, some bedside tables, so you're all good to go for your cozy needs. In every Wander bedroom, we want you to indulge in luxury and relaxation. Our goal is to enhance your sleep experience so that you sleep better here than you do at home, because our cutting-edge sleep technology allows you to customize this to your comfort needs. If you want something more plush, something more firm, you will get the perfect serene sleep of the night. We, of course, always have our wireless chargers conveniently placed on both sides of the beds. So whatever your charging needs are, watches, phones, AirPods, we've got you completely covered. You can leave that stuff at home. And lastly, there's a lot of windows, which leads to a lot of light. However, sometimes you want privacy. So we've got our remote controlled blinds here so you can shut them all at once, stay private, or let the light in. Now, behind the bed, serving as a concrete headboard, is our vanity in the primary bathroom. This vanity is stunning marble decked out with 2 sinks and a floating mirror. But what I love about this space the most is the tie-in with the nature elements and the sleek modern design. Of course, we always have our cacti, our moss, and our greenery, really bringing the outdoors in, as well as this stunning gray backsplash that goes floor to ceiling, which really opens up the space. Now, speaking of opening up the space, we have this incredible shower. It's walk-in, 2 shower heads, and the best part is waking up in the morning, getting all clean, and looking out here and feeling just the nice light come in. If you need some vitamin D, this is the place to get it. The focal point of this bathroom is the freestanding concrete bathtub. Now, you don't want to know how heavy this thing is and how hard it was to get inside. Now, just imagine yourself getting some bath salts, relaxing, and getting the vacation spa experience of a lifetime. Now, once you're done soaking in the tub, getting the views, you can also put on our luxurious Wander bathrobes. These are actually incredible, the best bathrobes I've ever put on. Put on some slippers, use our plush towels, because at Wander, you can indulge in the luxury. We have hand-picked, cultivated the best products that will exceed all your expectations. From premium shampoos, body washes, and conditioners, you will get the ultimate spa experience in every Wander bathroom. Exiting the primary bathroom through this large glass door, you will find a comfy seating area outlooking the beautiful mountain and city scenery. The primary bedroom and bathroom provide a perfect blend of the interior design elements, the natural materials, and the indoor to outdoor experience. Just imagine yourself putting on a Wander robe, sitting next to the fireplace on a cool summer night with a glass of wine, out looking at the beautiful view. There's not only one luxurious king bedroom, but 2. Now, this additional king bedroom strikes the perfect balance between light and dark hues, natural elements, modern and organic materials to create the perfect, relaxing, and luxurious sanctuary. Now, if you'll notice the vaulted ceilings, they really create this space and give it a warmth. It makes the room feel so much bigger. We have our favorite wood paneling that is throughout the house, adds a lot of texture to the room and really breaks the space up. But the standout of this room, of course, is our freestanding bathtub. And it's against our floor-to-ceiling window that gives us the perfect views to the city so you can soak in the tub and soak in the views. There's even an ensuite bathroom with so many cool amenities. I'm obsessed with this vanity, beautiful stone, of course, with these incredible mirrors for great lighting, especially for my ladies putting on your makeup in the morning. This is the spot. Now, did I mention that we also have a not just walk-in, but walk-through shower with a beautiful view. We've got natural light as well. I love this wooden natural flooring. It's just incredible, really incorporating the natural elements. And a walk-in closet with another vanity. So you are set for all of your self-care spa day here at Wander. One of the benefits of staying at a Wander home instead of other vacation rentals is that most of our properties come fully equipped with these ultra-modern workstations. Each Wander home has high-speed internet and is equipped with Ubiquiti hardware. What I love is that each of these stations come with the Herman Miller Aeron chair, known for its unparalleled back support, a sit-to-stand desk, and a 38-inch LG extra-wide curved monitor, and the best Logitech 4K camera. This is perfect for all your business meetings. It reduces the need for a virtual backdrop. You can get everything done you need to. What I love, it's super simple. I come, all I need is my laptop. If I forget a charger, I'm good because it's simple with one cord. I plug it in, I can stay on task, I'm ready to go. I can get my business meetings done so I can get back out to adventuring. Enhance your family vacation with Wander. Let us provide you must-have children's items like cribs and high chairs, freeing up that valuable luggage space. Do you ever feel overwhelmed trying to figure out what to do during your stay? We've got you covered. After this, you can watch our travel guide video, which will give you all of the tips of the best things to do, places to eat, and things to see during your stay. If you want more specific help, don't hesitate to reach out to our Wander concierge at this number. You can reach them anytime, 24/7 for all your needs. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments, such as weddings and family gatherings, should be celebrated together. We know that our properties are the perfect backdrop for all of those special occasions. Whether you're planning a bachelor, bachelorette party, a dream wedding, a milestone family gathering, or any other special event, this is the place where you can make your memories unforgettable. If you want to find out more, go to wander.com/events and figure out how we can help you make your experience extraordinary. Thank you for joining me for the tour of Wander Camelback Mountain, where you can enjoy exclusivity, relaxation, and harmony with nature. We cannot wait to welcome you. But make sure to check out the surrounding area because there is so much to do. Look at our travel guide to find out more.